Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by getting the correct replacement and the small tools required. This saves time and prevents guesswork. Once you open the trunk or hatch, locate the plate light housing and expose the lens. Use a flat pry tool or small screwdriver to gently release retaining tabs while supporting the lens so it won't fall. Make sure to wear gloves to keep oils off bulbs and to avoid cuts. Removing the lens first gives you clear access to the socket and wiring. Now you'll extract the old bulb and inspect what's behind it so you understand why it may have failed. Gently pull or twist the bulb from the socket. Wedge bulbs pull straight, bayonet types twist. Once out, check the socket and wires for corrosion or damage. Cleaning or small repairs here will prevent repeat failures. Before full reassembly, test the new bulb briefly with the car's circuit or a 12V tester so you know it illuminates and seats correctly. Finish by seating the replacement bulb firmly into the socket and snapping or screwing the lens back in place. Make sure tabs engage so the seal stays weatherproof. Once reassembled, turn on the car lights and verify the plate lamp illuminates and is aimed correctly. If it doesn't light, don't panic. First check the related fuse, then measure socket voltage with a meter or swap in a known good bulb. This single voltage check usually reveals whether the issue is wiring, fuse, or the bulb itself.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.